Do you want a supersonic, very fast meal for your picky children? Your children that eat beef. So I have one that eats beef and one that doesn't eat beef. So this is a pound of ground beef. We're just browning it. That's all we're doing here. We have 1 cup of salsa. Homemade is better, but if you have jarred, just be aware of the ingredients. So we're going to dump that in. 1 cup, 250 mils of salsa. This is my homemade taco seasoning. I put in 1 tablespoon, 15 mils of the seasoning into this recipe. You can go less or more depending on the tastes of your children or yourself. I also have 1 can of beans. It can be any kind of can of beans. This is about 1 cup, 250 mils of any kind of cooked bean. I normally use black beans, but today we have kidney beans. It's all good. Doesn't matter. So we're just going to mix all of this together, and that is your burrito filling. Ready to roll it up. So we'll just add a little bit of filling to our tortilla. You don't want it too much, but you don't want it too little. So just the right amount. Maybe half a cup, 125 mils. That seems about right. And then for today's demonstration, I'm just going to add sour cream and cheese. You can add anything you like. You can add chopped tomatoes. You can add lettuce. You could add other veggies. And, you know, the amounts are your choice, 100% your choice. So I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold it up. And here's kind of a way that I do it. You can do it how you do it. Kind of punching the corner there. And there is an art to it. The best way is hopefully you have a good soft burrito. Mine are kind of a little bit tight. You get the idea. Then roll it up. Now what we're going to do, this is how my son likes it. We're going to crisp up the edges onto the pan, hot pan. And then you'll see that it's nicer to eat if the dough is a little bit cooked through and crispy. So this will take maybe one or 2 minutes per side. So you can see it getting a little bit brown after about 1 or 2 minutes on a really hot pan. And it's an unseasoned, don't add oil or anything, just a plain hot pan. And you'll see that it's kind of getting crispy. So then it has a better mouthfeel if it's crispy. And then all of the cheese melts, and it's going to be just amazing. Yummy, yummy. So there you go. That's a very fast meal for your children that love to eat meat. Hope that inspires you.